Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Mills. I'm Head of Technical at NTI and I'm here to give you a quick how-to guide on our new document packs. There's just a couple of things that we want everybody to be aware of when they're using our documents, which will make them easier to use as you go forward. The first thing that you might notice is that we've got these little paragraph signs throughout the report and at the end of each paragraph. This allows you to see where you've put paragraphs and things, but it also allows you to see the hidden text that we have put into our documents. So everything that is in red is hidden text, which means that it won't print when you press the print button. And if you press print preview, you won't see it. It means there's less likely chance of it appearing erroneously in any reports. In order to turn this on, you just need to press the paragraph button at the top. As you can see, once I've turned it off, all of the red text has disappeared, and this is what the report would actually print out like. And if you turn it on, all of the red text appears. The other thing that might be quite useful is to turn on a tables, borders, outlines. All of our tables have invisible borders, so it looks something like this in the report, but obviously that doesn't make it that easy for you guys to see. So if you go back onto the table, go into layout and view grid lines, these dotted lines don't appear in the final report, but they do make it easier for you to view. I will be going over some other of our documents. So this is obviously one of our, it's our CVL annual report, and I'll be going into some details about the specific documents later on. But that's it for now. It's just a general overview to tell you how to use the hidden text function in our documents. So thanks for watching.